Page 116, Classic Dance. Not introducing anything new, we're just using what we already have. It's 4 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We're back to the key of F major. Make sure you can do the F major scale. 4/4 time, we got quarter notes and dotted half, and I think we can handle the rhythm. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure we understand what each hand is doing, and then we'll try to put the hands together. Right hand, you're starting with little finger on C. That puts you in F position. And it's quarter notes. Rest, rest. 2, 3, rest. And during the rest, you come up 1. You just move up 1 key. Second line, don't forget the B flat. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. At the end of the second line, during the rest, you come back down where you were. At the end of the third line, you're here. During the rest, you go back up. We're just moving 1 key up and down. And then, in the last line, the first 2 measures, you're here. Then the last 2 measures, you got to come down 1 key. So during the rest, you just come down. That's all. We want to get to where we can move 1 key up or down like this without looking at the keyboard. You want to be able to feel what moving up and down 1 key feels like. You want to get the idea. I don't know what I'm saying, but hopefully you understand anyway. Left hand gets the chords. You got the F chord, and second line half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. That's it. I mean, the left hand's not moving around, only the right hand. So put them together, it's here. 1, rest, rest. Get the idea. Second line, you're up here. Left hand's okay, right hand moving up. Now you got different things going on in the hands. Here, and here, and here. And then the right hand comes back down. Okay. You put the hands together, and then go back and get rid of the hesitations. And we'll think about the articulation. The staccatos are short. I'm hinging at the wrist. I'm bouncing off the keys. The second line is smooth. It's all connected. This is a nice contrast. We like contrast in music. Just keep repeating it to yourself. I wish today's music could have a little more contrast in it. Connect them. And then the third line, you're back to the bouncy. And the fourth line, you're back to smooth again. Okay. Dynamics, going to go to the right hand. That's the melody. Loud, whatever you think loud is. Keep the chords in the background. And then in the second line, you're soft. That's the right hand. Left hand's very soft. Can you play light in one hand and super light in the other? Huh? Third line is loud again. And the fourth line is soft. Speed, well, it's Allegro's fast. Some people say it's happy. I call it fast. It's a dance, but it's got to be accurate. So don't go faster than that. Doesn't have to go that fast. You can go here. That's fast, fine. If that's your fast, that's good. It's different for different people. For me, it depends on how much coffee I've had to drink or what time of day it is. I don't know. But it's just not slow. It's a dance. It's a happy. Think happy. Yeah. Let's play it together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. It's the notes. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm just playing the notes and the staccatos. I'll do those. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Rest, rest. 2, 3, rest.